Hi everyone, in today's video I'm about to teach you how to study smart, not hard. Are you spending hours studying but still forgetting what you learned? The problem might not be how much you study, but how you study. These 3 tips I'm about to give you will help you. The first tip is use the Pomodoro technique. Study with full focus for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This helps your brain stay fresh and productive. Second tip is focus on understanding concepts instead of memorizing facts. When you truly understand something, it's much easier to remember during exams. Third is review your notes regularly. Don't wait until the night before an exam. Few minutes of reviewing each day is far more effective than dreaming. By studying smarter, you will remember more information, improve your grades, and reduce exam stress. What is your favorite study tip? Comment smart below and follow Smart Tech Hub for more tech tips.